Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Let's continue our topic on this grammar, right? So today we are going to talk about another small topic, that is subject and predicate. So subject and predicate, right? So any grammatical sentence will have two portions. One portion is called subject, another portion is called predicate. So a subject is who or what is doing something, right? And the predicate is the second part of it, supporting the subject, is the activity or what they are doing, a verb or activity that they are doing, right? So let's understand this by an example. So every sentence, every grammatical sentence will have this subject and predicate that is common everywhere in grammar, right? So now let's say Neeraj throws javelin, right? This is a sentence, right? Now if you divide this portion, Neeraj is the subject. He is the person who is doing the activity. What is the activity he is doing? Throwing. This is verb. So we'll talk about verb in the later lectures, but just for you to understand now, this is verb. Throwing is an activity. Now this portion is called predicate, right? So the activity being done by the subject. So you have Neeraj, subject, who is throwing javelin, throws javelin, that is predicate. So every sentence will have subject and predicate at two forms, two portions of the sentence, just to understand how a proper sentence, a complete sentence in a grammar looks like, right? So this is a short topic. We'll discuss about verb and other topics in next lecture. Thank you.